All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol KODK, Eastman Kodak Co. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, and to my subscribers, welcome back. And let's jump into this chart. So this had a bearish run, but we can clearly see how support was significantly used several times. It got broken through at one point in the day, and quickly after, the bulls reappeared and had a bullish run, used that momentum and broke through resistance. We closed off here for Eastman Kodak, right, at 1135. 1135. As I move the resistance level and support to their new locations, we're going to have a pretty broad stretch here, but we're going to go ahead and look at what's important for tomorrow. But very leveled off. It started to look bearish, and the bears were not able to tear through support, and significantly the bulls reappeared and brought this one up with momentum. So let's move this to its new locations, and we're going to go ahead and zoom in on what is important for tomorrow. So the first thing is the 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is 906. If that gets crossed, we're now in bearish territory, and as long as the bulls stay above it, the bulls are in control and they can start to work their way up to newer highs. Now, 906 is our 50-day moving average. That is significantly important because it's above the support. So if this gets crossed, this is technically the first support level before getting to the support level in bearish territory, since it's above our support level. Now, 906 is the point that tells you which side of the stock chart we're in, if we're in bullish or bearish. But as of right now, we're on the bullish side, and the bulls are going to continue to push through to work their way up to newer highs. But let's go ahead and look at our support level. If 877 gets broken through, which is the lowest point before this bullish rally and this momentum here, as the bulls pulled further away from the 50-day moving average, if 877 gets broken through, this will test newer lows. And now, not only did the bears break through the 50-day moving average, but they broke through support, and they're going to get themselves deeper into bearish territory as much as they can. Now, I want to emphasize how important it is if even 906 gets crossed. But if 906 gets crossed fairly quickly, then you have the support of 877 to look at. But now you're definitely in bearish territory once that gets crossed. On the other spectrum of things, we have what the bulls need to do to continue this run. I mean, the 50-day moving average will continue to catch up to the price, right? So for the bulls to continue this momentum and continue to work their way up, they need to break through resistance, which is 1164. If they're able to break through 1164 and turn that into support, they will start to work their way up to newer highs. And the first resistance level after that would be 1174. That's the highest point the stock reached in the last couple of days. So 1174 will need to be broken through, right? So that this can start to see newer highs. But before getting there, 1164 will be needed to be crossed by the bulls to turn that into support and start to work their way up further away from the 50-day moving average in an upward direction, test new highs, and reach new resistance levels. As always, if you learned something new and found this helpful and informative, and you feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so. But don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications so you guys don't miss a single video that I post. Share us with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.